Therefore, in some way, a buy no, and go for baby are framing. One more be information, I'm information. One more I said, one more be to me for so it to me for. One more, it be dimmy attempt so it dimmy attempt. It's therefore na assemble and not make us a family. Evangelist Adai, any Vivian Jill in Semno. Baby a free baby a fire. That is the beginning, the process, and as you see at the final stage. Baby a mimi susu say ebedruno. I believe this is the conclusion of everything. Now, one frame in here, one same way, so no, Madame Wase, one more to me for no, so Madame Wase. More frame me dim attendance, so no, Madame Wase. A bit more air can say, baby, almost follow me. One more name say, means you'll be a meeting crowd for attending Yama. Now, as same way by I say, may they found home AD evangelist a diatem. Now, and yet more to me for I was idea and so on so. If you told me, now my family was to pay me. It's here for now. The latest on this, they say, said the last video, the last audio I posted. The last audio I posted was a conversation with Wobia, was supporting Evangelist Adai because now the person may share how the person is thinking. The entire Nepakono was supporting Evangelist Adai any nyama. Until you be a won't say sa a year conversation and now you be a won't say sa interview that me share. Come videos name ube sa video no. Na listen to it. Now also wonder said the entire will be best supported will be to say Evangelist Adai and sema waka. You understand what the person was saying. Now they I can't say we are said yet. Say would you be a nyadwen a hona would dinner tem. Obviously would you be a yadwen was same be a walk and one to me and dinner tem da. Now Evangelist Adai share a same way I say ye dear tree before me posted the phone conversation with the fan of Evangelist Adai no. Me posted another video be another me susu another me catcher say me nya latest information on the father of a year Vivian Joe, the last born no I friend Alfie no. Na me try with the entire Vivian Joe one fa papa ne din emba bonten and papa no embra Vivian Joe where naming ceremony and the entire ye hu no e wa around. Me mamoti bibia say information and crofo frame e ma me say papa no ne yere e na hye nsem because papa ne yere no e suspect say ni kunu ene Vivian Joe e na awo intia na wa sheda ama Evangelist Adai de asem ato Vivian Joe so inti no we asem so de ye de asem to so a wo be say wo be dwane aba bonten na wa be ka ne kre na exactly and now from the time Evangelist Adai de asem no eto Vivian Joe so no some of us didn't even know Vivian Joe the first son Clinton no some of us didn't even know his father because Vivian Joe there nembani nia womo papa wonfa womo din emba bonten womo pen the crano munim na asem we sha say eba no it made us know Vivian Joe the first son Clinton ne papa and then my hu say ne papa crano we film na ne papa ne ye friend Harry into the denang for essence so share enim and the second born because any name say Harry Clinton and ne papa wu and Nancy na Vivian Joe was so ewo ye into me try me say one summer no sabi and na ewo ye and obviously won be ma for and ewo ye na still na Ghana for share name say wo mo be hu the identity of that man. Now I have an article here at GH page for a reporting Ghana celebrities so air reporter say dem be kan tell no obi so frame emma me this information nkofo bebre frame emma me this information. Now we've seen the identity of the man obi frame and a point blank obo papa ne din frame say papa no wo ye obi a wo ska just say o ye CEO of a mining company wo hwe papa ne mining companies ne kra ehonsem abapen but nini akodai but papa no wo obi a yese Ghana ha say ye kan wo mo a wo mo boskapan dia papa no ye de no ekan etiefo na according to GH page no and according to Nipakuno frame no ma information no papa no wo ye CEO of Okoben Mining Company. Now the mining company, it is based in the western region. Ena papa nangasa ni din eye Nana Okoben Amponsa. Inti ni Vivian J ne ba no ni din di Alfie Okoben Amponsa. This is the information send me di kan eche no nipa ko ne frame no what dey ma me na nipa ko ne send na work as and you know say the person is really close to all this issue happening no. It's the identity of the man no, it has been known say or CEO of Okoben Mining Company. Na sa Okoben Mining Company make us somewhere just around last year. Embra Galamsey Eshasiye say ye can stop Galamsey now the fight against Galamsey koso no. It should be a buyer on a year Okoben Mining Company no. Na aseme buyer na say na nkrofo ka say sa Okoben Mining Company na nkrofo accuse omo say they are using soldiers to brutalize residents. I think that issue came last year. Sa story no buyer say say nkrofo bi e community bi can say some mining company ni Okoben Mining Company womo use soldiers na soldiers no mu use no womo ma soldiers no sebe womo ye oma womo te around the yakayaka there because womo susu say Okoben Mining Company pese wo je sa land no na wode ye ne mining. It's the CEO of that company and no and a GH page and a Ghana Celebrities.com. These are two top credible outlets in Ghana. And a one more can say Vivian J ne ba ne second born Alfie no ne papa. Now the interesting thing also me mamoti as say yes say the entire Vivian J one bar bonting emfa papa ne din emba and say yes papa no waware. Yes, GH page for also confirm say papa no waware to a well-known police officer be not to say papa ne yere no woye police ni bia woye penyi pa na woye kese pa wo Ghana ha say just a high ranking police officer and no name sama wo mo ka inti se na nkrofo kan say papa ne yere na hyehye nsema because of person wo hu say eye ne kra ne kunu no ene Vivian J no na awo ene nyama no sisia no there is some information on that. Say papa ne yere kra no woye high ranking police officer. Na yese enu hunti ena Vivian J one bar bontin emfa nsem no embetu dwa because the man is married. Na wo kobo sebe wo bia wawari din se woni na awo. Na ne yere nso eye police penyin ne there. Unim say you look like a villain in the face of Ghanaians. Em say the make am wati asiye. Na therefore we obi a na wuji Evangelist Adai in sem no edia. I think this should be the conclusion. We obi a na who believe sabi Evangelist Adai nensem no. I think this actually has to settle everything down. Because first what can say Clinton no wonana every Vivian J. Later no buy that son and no say oh Clinton ne can one no cry one Vivian J biological son. And pictures by pictures no ask Clinton no outdoor no Vivian J wo be hu no. And as that time the Clinton no ne papa na one Vivian J ejina ho twa picture ne nti pictures ni nya ababonten a Clinton side no ye disprove Evangelist Adai. It is still on the part of Alfie no and also now say then ye disprove it. It is Sisiano and also story about the identity of his father allegedly about Bonten. So I think this should settle every single issue. This should settle every single issue. Ebi mo afre me catch me say oh wo mo de asema Evangelist Adai ka no ade a wo mo hu bi pen say wo bi ka ene ne bada ama wabo ene nyama inti no asema Evangelist Adai ka no we shouldn't write him off nkofo bebre efrem ma kasa said the Evangelist Adai can we shouldn't write him off. Then just say me na tem na say yes, I'll take it on the side. Say Edia attend the dinner me no. I've retracted on that. But this is the full story. You to me Edia bro into no chewaje our comment box no for me that say.